$15,000. That is the total revenue from one single digital store using the system I'm about to show you. It's not just a number, it's proof that the right infrastructure can change everything.
Hey, I'm Denny. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the exact blueprint I used to reach this milestone with Sellvia. No fluff, just the reality of how it's done.
Most people think you need a massive team or a huge budget to see these kinds of results, but the reality is, I started with a simple 14-day trial and a pre-built store. When the tech is handled for you, you can focus entirely on growth. Sellvia isn't just a builder, it's a turnkey business that you can set up in minutes. We are dealing with digital products, guides, courses, and checklists. In the Sellvia catalog, you'll find high-demand items that solve real problems. The best part? You don't have to create them yourself. Sellvia provides the products, and you keep a 50% to 70% markup on every single sale.
Woo!
Here is the engine that changed everything. The built-in advertising system. I didn't need to be a marketing expert. I just set my budget, starting at only $10 a day, and used the free $40 coupon they provided during the trial. This system pushes traffic from TikTok and Google directly to your store, often leading to sales on day one. Once the sales started rolling in, I didn't stop there. To hit that $15,000 mark, I had to scale. I moved past the trial and committed to the $39 monthly plan. That's just $1.30 a day. It's the cost of a coffee to keep a professional, high-earning business running. This is the end game. Once your store has been active for 60 days and has a revenue history, it becomes a valuable asset. On the Sellvia market, you can actually list your business for sale. I'm not just making a monthly profit. I'm building a brand I can sell for a significant lump sum later.
You don't need to be a tech genius to build an online asset. You just need to start with the right tools. Head over to Sellvia, grab your free 14-day trial, and turn on those ads. I'm Denny, and I'll see you at the top.